Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work finish in LEXUS RX330 2005 model generation 2004-2009 by MPX AUTOS. This one came with the factory screen and navigation, and it actually already been replaced and upgraded with the new 9-inch premium setup, wireless Apple CarPlay, which you can see another video in our channel for that thing, or this is wireless Android Auto, and it's connected to our Android phone right here via wireless, and it has so much of the thing upgrade and looks beautiful. The new camera is upgrade at the back end, almost in the center of the gate, so it gives the owner a much better centralized image when she reverse, and that's the special request from the owner as well. So you can see our Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera show up nicely clear and probably adjust, so it have to have a very clear and sharp image when reverse. Now the next thing is about the steering wheel control. You can do steering wheel control here very easy from steering, and also from the power button over here for the volume. That's easy to turn on the thing. And now talking about the air conditioner control, the climate control in this car now will be controlled by one button here, and full touchscreen button. So have a look here. If I press the auto button, it will show up the climate control, and then I can start using any button over here to start with the system, and that's so easy to use. And everything I can see from this screen, I can control it for the climate, and I can turn it off from here. And if I don't use it in a few seconds, it actually will automatically turn this one off and come back to the other application screen before. And that's a cool thing and it's a good thing, and make it looks very nice and works so easy. Yeah, 2 USB port fit inside the glove box, hidden away, very nice. And what else we want to show? Actually, it fit perfectly. It was born with the car, matching the color of the dash and the frame, and combine and connect, integrate into the car so well. And even very cool thing is we can run dual sound system in this car right now, and we will make a short video showing how cool it is to run kind of DJ sound system in the car. Okay, but quickly you can see it like this. If I turn on this, you actually are listening the radio from here. Now look at this one. I turn on the Spotify music, okay, and look at this. Oh, that's the DJ music. Okay, so we are mixing up the FM over here. Okay, and we are mixing up the FM over here like this, and we can control the FM easily over here. And we actually can come back here and we turn this one on and mix up with them, and now we have DJ music in the car. Okay, it's so fun if in case you want to play something like this. Yes, a cool thing. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.